All right, hello and welcome. My name is Dylan Anderson. I'm a AWD 1115 student. Today we're going to be going over the chapter 4 stuff. The biggest thing I learned for chapter 4 was how CRUD operations actually work within ASP.NET Core MVC applications. We'll start off. CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete, and these operations form the foundation of most business applications. So whenever you go onto a business website, you see, add information, delete information, stuff like that. So all these applications are the basics of what businesses run. We'll start with the index. Just a basic. We've got index, we've got add, we've got edit, we've got delete, and we've got details. So before this chapter, I really understood what CRUD meant conceptually. But as time goes on and building more and more applications, I understand how more so the code is implemented as well. So repeat processes of what I've started doing before or what I've done before. So it's kind of become a little bit more muscle memory at this point. I know that if I'm going to want to add an add button, delete button, all that stuff, and what their functions are, I'm going to have to, make them work. This whole page pretty much retrieves data and displays all the contacts that's stored within the database. So whenever we're going through this application on the contacts manager, whenever we add somebody, whenever we delete somebody, that's what this whole page focuses on. And then let's go through the delete. So yeah, basically just showing everything. If you delete somebody, it'll ask you if you want to make sure you're deleting this person. You've got your buttons, pretty much everything else within there. So let's do a live demo here real quick. Pull this over. So as you see, I've got the test person, I've got the name from the project. If you click on details, you can pull up the contact details. You can edit. Let's just change this to my name, Dylan Anderson. We'll keep everything else there. Press save. It updates. So that's what we're really looking for. We're wanting it to make sure that everything stores properly. Whenever you click a button, you want to make sure that that button actually does its job. If you go to add contact, it shows a blank page. We can go through here. We can just do another test person. Sure. Test. Yep. Category. We've got our category. We'll put work. Let's just change that in case that's somebody's actual. That'd be funny. So yeah, there you have it. And thanks for watching.